Okay. So now we are in the process of cleaning the floor. Juan Carlos is taking out all the supplies. For this kind of floor, we are gonna use this product. Neutral cleaner. We already sprayed some odor with our fogger sprayer. We clean the sliding door, the table. We have to fix the couches. Juan Carlos vacuum outside. We clean the table. It smells really good. We clean that table, this table. Really nice. Smells good. The chairs were clean. Table, another table over there. We clean the mirror, the glass, the sliding door. This mirror were clean. We put the liquor inside the pantry. The water in that corner. So now we just need to, the cabinets are clean. Really good job, as always. Really good. Juan Carlos is gonna vacuum the whole area to pick up any kind of glasses. In the meantime, I'm gonna remove the chairs and work it out the tile. This is looks like marble. ¿Qué material es este, ah?
¿Cuál?
Este.
Eso es mármol.
Mármol, ¿sí o no?
Mármol bruto.
Sí, mármol bruto, que no tiene el seal, por eso es tan opaco. Pero con el neutral cleaner va a quedar súper bien. Vamos a tener que... I'm sorry. We have to mop a little bit, like 2 times. He needs to vacuum really good this area, and we're going to mop 2 times, so the floor is going to be good. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm going to continue recording and taking photos. Thank you. 407-572-4118. Visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com, or check it out in our Facebook, Any House Cleaning in Champions Gate. Thank you.